If you want to find out how to get this natural look, just keep watching. Everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you who are new, I am Mandy and welcome to my channel. So today I figured I would do a little bit more of a natural look for the beginners. So let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Alright guys, so today I want to go for more of a natural look, but I still want to keep it kind of glam. So I'm going into this Milan palette. Now this is the Must Have Naturals palette. And I'm taking the lightest cream shade that's in there to highlight my brow bone with. And it does have shimmer in it. Just the right amount of shimmer just to give it that sparkle. And now this is the Wet n Wild All Natural palette. And it is Nude Awakening. Now, this is a cool tone pink that I'm putting for my transition shade, and we're just going to blend that out, and we're going to take it all the way across. Now, back in the Milan palette, this is a really dark, like a charcoal gray color, and I want to use this. I want to focus it on my outer V, but I also want to pull it in to use for my crease shade. And now back into the Wet n Wild palette. Now this is a really dark, it's like, I would say chocolatey brown, but it's more of like that charcoal gray color, but it's darker than the one in the Milan palette. And we are going to focus this one on our outer V. And once the brush has put all the product out there, we're just going to pull it in a little bit. And now you can take any kind of concealer you have, or you don't even have to use a concealer for this. I like to use it when I'm using a shimmer shade on my lid. It just tends to make it stick a little bit better and stay on a little bit longer. And I'm just going to pull this halfway across, so we're kind of doing a half cut crease. And like I said, you do not have to use a concealer if you prefer not to. Now, this shade in the Milan palette, I absolutely love it. It's got a silver shift to it, but it's like a taupe color, but a light taupe color. And of course, I'm just going to pat this onto my lid, at least where I put the concealer at. And then we're going to go back in with that dark color on the outer V. And we're going to just kind of darken that V back up. And then we are going to blend this right over top of the shimmer shade that we laid on our lid. And of course, the darker shade I'm going to put on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to kind of stamp it on there and go halfway across with it. And then the transition shade that we used in the Wet n Wild palette, I am going to use just to kind of blend that lower lash line out, just to give it that smoked out look. Now, this is a enhancer shade. I believe it's what it's called in this palette. And it's got like a pink shift to it. It's a really beautiful color. I did use this to highlight my inner corner. And now for this pesky old winged liner that just I get out of hand with it most of the time. Now, this is the Mellow eyeliner that I got in one of my FC bags. This is the best pen eyeliner that I have used in my life. I love this, and I will be replacing it somehow if they do have it for sale. I'm pretty sure that they do. But as soon as this little bad boy starts drying up, I am going to pick up another one because I absolutely love it. It is the best one that I've used yet. And we are just doing, you could do any kind of wing with this, or you could even, if you don't want to do the wing, you don't have to do it with this look, because I trust that this look would look great without it. And of course, I'm just trying to get as close to my line as possible. That way you don't see the line where the lashes and the eye meets. Okay, now this is the Ciate London pencil. This is just the black eyeliner pencil. I love this pencil. It's so creamy and it just, you barely touch your eye and it's just black as coal. I love it. And it does, well, I'm not going to say it stays all day, but it will be there for most of the day. And of course, I'm going to tightline my lower and bottom lash line. Now we're just curling our lashes. And this is the Benefit Their Real Mascara. Now, I love this mascara, so I did decide to use it, but I don't like it for my lower lash line. So why I used it for it, I don't know. It's just not one of those mascaras that I would prefer you to use on your lower lash line. Because if you could see right here, it did fall out a little bit on me. So I did have to end up wiping it off my bottom. So I had to do the whole lower lash line again. And this is the finished look. And like I said, I still wanted to keep it glam, but I wanted it natural too. And this is the finished look, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was easy enough for beginners as well as everybody else to do this look. I love it. It is quick, it's fast, and it's a glam natural, and I just love the way the look come out. So guys, if you like seeing this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you, and I'll see you all next video. Bye.